How to fix Reddit chat not working. So if you want to fix Reddit chat not working problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Reddit application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And after that, go with the chat option, which is on the bottom right. And if you are facing any problems with the chat right here, then what you can do is just go with the profile, which is on the upper right. Once you tap on profile, now go with settings, which is on the bottom, and tap on account settings. Now under account settings, you need to scroll down and go with chat and messaging permissions. And here under direct messages, make sure you've chosen anyone on Reddit, and on the chat request, make sure that you've selected anyone on Reddit. And after that, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just simply press and hold on to that Reddit application. Go with the app info and tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you clear the cache, you need to restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Reddit chat not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.